Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete blocked contacts from WhatsApp in just a few easy steps. So let's dive in. To view blocked contacts, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and open Settings. In Settings, go to Privacy and scroll down. You will see the option called Blocked Contacts. Tap on it and you will see the contact you just blocked. Now to delete this blocked contact, there are two methods. Go back to your chat list. Find the contact, select it, and delete the chat. After that, also delete blocked contact from your contacts in your device. With this trick, your WhatsApp blocked contact may also be deleted. However, this first method only works on some devices. If it didn't work for you, use the second method, which works 100%. Go back to the main screen of WhatsApp, tap on the three dots, open Settings, and scroll down. You will find Help. Open it. Then tap on Business Help Center. Now tap on the Support green button. Here you can write your problem. For example, Hello WhatsApp team. I'm trying to delete blocked contacts from WhatsApp, but it's not working. Help me out. You can also write your email for contact, then simply click on Next. After this, the WhatsApp team will contact you on WhatsApp or via the email you provided and will help you resolve the issue. And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.